The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2020 through 2025 Ford Escape with the factory flush side rails. We've just installed the Thule Wingbar Edge base rack system. It's made up of the Wingbar Edge load bars, 41 inches in length for the front, 37 inches in length for the rear, shown in black, also available in silver. The Edge flush rail foot pack, which comes in a set of 4, and vehicle specific fitting kit 186049. Locks are available as an additional accessory but are not required. Overall, you have a carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed, and crossbars can be mounted along the length of the rail. As a fitment note, the panoramic roof on this vehicle cannot be opened, so don't open it while the rack is attached. For easy ordering of this complete kit or more details and pictures, please visit our website with a link in the description below. That's going to be it for this quick vehicle walk around. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.